One other object that you should be aware of how to create is a chart. If you come up here to the chart button and click there, it's going to give you a list of different types of charts that you can create. There's 2D and 3D charts, and there's a couple of different types of charts. I'm just going to create a 2D bar chart real quick, and it's going to automatically give me a default chart down here, and you can move around the different parts of the chart, and you can even change the size and the location of the bars in here. But to edit the information within, it brought up a chart data editor up here in the top left, and you can move this around. But if you change the information in there, it's automatically going to show up down here in my chart, as you can see. And you can also edit the labels in the chart this way as well. Over here in the in your inspector, you've got a couple of options that you can change. You can mess around with the different axes and such things. But let me go ahead and delete this chart real quick. I'm going to go back up to the chart button, and I'm going to create a 3D pie chart over here. And these work the same way, but as you can see, you can create some pretty cool 3D charts underneath the chart tab in the inspector. If you select 3D scene, you can come over here and you can actually change the orientation in 3 dimensions of your chart, and you can also change the depth of the chart as well as a couple of other things. But you can make your charts as simple or as complicated as you like, and you can come up with some pretty cool graphics based on your spreadsheet numbers for a chart.